good morning. We did stay at a Cracker Barrel last night in Brunswick, Georgia. And I did a little research this morning. I think we found a campground. We may have finally gotten lucky. I think it's free for 7 days. And we're gonna find out what that's all about this morning. Thanks again, Cracker Barrel. To jump back on the interstate for just a little bit. I think it's in total it's actually 25 miles away, but it'll be a good place, I think, to hang out for a couple of days. We're burning some time here. Here's an RV park on the way out here. I might have to call them Cathead Creek RV Park. I'm gonna have to call them and see what their rates are. Something tells me I might get out here and might have really bad solar, and I don't know how much I can run my generator. I guess I could do that. Some places though, it depends on how cramped it is and if other people's around. I'm just not comfortable running my generator too much. Other folks, I don't know. Depends how many people are around, I guess. Hey, there's a high top van. I wonder if it's for sale. I didn't see any signs, so probably not. Okay, this is Fort Harrington Landing and Campground.
Continue on Barrington, 3 miles.
I forget what the history is on Fort Harrington, but we might have to look that up after bed. There may be some remains of the fort back here. I don't know yet. I think I read somewhere that there might be some, but they've mostly been destroyed from floodwaters. So you might have to check that out. This has been a long, bumpy road coming back in here. Almost 3 miles of 10 miles an hour. It's washboarded, and well, I hope it's worth it. And it would be nice too to have cell service when we get way back in here. I'll keep our fingers crossed. The land on the right side of the road is posted.
Take the next left onto Barrington Park Road, then continue straight to stay on Barrington Park Road.
So that's all private property on the right side of the road, and everything on the left side of the road is part of a wildlife management area. Alright, I'm supposed to take a sharp left here somewhere. Oh, there it is.
Take the next left onto Barrington Park Road, then continue straight to stay on Barrington Park Road.
There's places where it looks like the sand is getting a little bit softer. I'll have to watch what I'm doing. I got the boundary stuck in sand once before. I don't want to do it again. And I've noticed lately.
Continue straight to stay on Barrington Park Road.
Okay. I'm getting less and less brave with the bounder. So we'll see. I think we got half a mile to go yet.
In half a mile, you will arrive at your destination.
Yep, sure enough. Now, if this place is, I'm not gonna even get to say it. Bring on bad luck.
You've arrived.
Alright, we're here. I don't want to see any signs saying, I'm just not gonna say it. Well, so far so good. I think we're gonna be alright. I think we're gonna be alright here. Whoa, there's some deep sand right there. Yikes, I better watch it. I think we can get a spot right here along the water. That would be nice. Alright, let me get turned around here. There's a squirrel. Oh boy, Bella's gonna love that. What do you think, Bella? I think this place is gonna work. I didn't know the white sand was up here in Georgia this far, but I guess it is. Bella's just, we were just out walking a little bit, and we're down there really close to the water, and there is actually some rain in the forecast, and I don't know. You know, clouded up. It was kind of clear when we first got here, but now it's clouded up. And I don't know how fast this water here rises. So we might move at another spot up here. We're gonna enjoy this waterfront here for a little while. But there's a bunch of spots up the land slopes as it goes up. So we might move up into there a little bit. Just get a little higher ground. Never know, with rain in the forecast. We were the only ones here. There's a place for a camp host over there, I guess, or the caretaker, but there's nobody there. And somebody did show up. Well, actually 2 people now. So Bella wants to get a little drink. She says, this is a little bit maybe too deep to be wading around in. Come on. Come on, stay out of there. I don't need you getting all wet and going back in the bounder. Come on, girl. It would be nice if the forecast was clear with no rain. I can barely see a little bit of blue sky in the distance, but that's over there, not here. And there's a little campfire right here, right by the water. I can see there's a sandy beach over on the other side. Yeah, I'd hate for it to start raining in the middle of the night and or wake up in the morning and the water's like right here at the bounder. All moved. We were down there, now we're up here. And there are bathrooms up here, and they have showers. There's no facilities at any of the sites. There's no electric, there's no water at the site, but they do have at the bathrooms, and they have hot showers. So I walked up and checked it, and yeah, the hot water actually works. There are hot showers here, which I'm going to take advantage of because my hot water tank quit working. So I think I have to order a new control board for it. So, you know, jumping in cold water is no fun. So I'm going to take advantage of a nice hot shower here in a bit. And we're definitely have some shade going on here, so We won't get a whole lot of solar, but it's not like I have anybody real close to me. A couple of people down there, but my generator's pretty quiet, so I might run it for a little while. After a while. Well, that's better, and the sun's actually out, and it's clearing up a little bit, at least for now, but the rain's still on its way for later today or this evening. Where'd Bella go? Okay, I feel a little bit better about letting her off leash up here away from the water. Bella, Bella, come on, this way. Come on. No, no, this way. Come on, come on, this way. Let's go. Come on, let's go. I love when she runs around and just carries on. And then I change direction on her. She thinks we're going that way. Nope, now we're going this way. Psst, psst. Come on, this way. Yeah, this is a nice little campground here. Pretty peaceful. Yeah, I wish it would just clear up completely. So I think we're gonna stay here for a day or two, maybe 3. We'll see how long I can take it. It's good to find a place like this and just hang out for a little while. But then I get itchy feet and I gotta be on the move. Always got to keep reminding myself that, you know, don't come across these places too often. They're not just everywhere, so take advantage of them when I do. It's free camping and hot showers. It's quiet. We got water down there. So we'll see. Maybe I can stretch our stay a little bit. I gotta burn some time anyway. You know, see, I know I'm gonna break at some point, and just like that's it. I'm going up to Pennsylvania. I don't care if it is cold and snowy and icy. Bella, no. Uh-oh, Bella sees it. There's a chicken. There goes a chicken across there. Where'd that chicken come from? Bella's just standing down there like, she only got so close to it, and she says, I don't know what that thing is, but it needed to run off. Come on, this way. Bella. Come on, this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. What was that chicken doing? It's down by the RV now. It might go inside. Get your toys. What's that thing doing down there? Yeah, she's not as interested in going close to it now. Come on, this way. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Now I think she's avoiding it. It's right over there. Oh, she's gonna give it another chase. Bella! Come on, girl. Bella, come on. Oops, she really gave it a chase. I better not let her do that. Come on. Come on. Come on. No more of that. I better not let her do that anymore. We could get into trouble, I think. Especially if she got a hold of one. I don't know what she'd do. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, that was bad of us. Because for a moment I did actually encourage her a little bit. I really thought she was done after chasing that chicken the first time and all the squawking it did. I thought she was like, okay, I don't think I like them squawky things. I really didn't think she was going to chase it the second time. That's my bad, because I actually encouraged her for a minute. Bella's never harmed anything. I think just for the fun of the chase, I don't think she would have hurt it. But that's something to keep in mind. I mean, the campground, it's like an unorganized campground. There aren't actually, the sites aren't numbered. It's kind of like camp wherever you fit. There's no rules posted about any, keep dogs on leash at all times, any of that at all. And who'd ever thought there would be a chicken in the campground, wandering around the campground anyway? But had Bella harmed that chicken, I don't know. I don't know. If they'd have come over, and I probably would have taken a walk and found out who has chickens and offered to make good on it. So, and just out of curiosity, I did Google it, like, what's the price of egg-laying chickens? It seems they range, depending on the breed, from $20 to $50 is their worth. So, I would have made good on it, and hopefully the owner had been okay with that. And I know different dog laws vary from state to state. I don't know if it's gone any further than that or not, but it's something to keep in mind for sure. But what was that chicken doing in the campground anyway? I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, no harm, no foul, I suppose. That's it. We're going to hang out here for a couple of days, and I'm starting to get a better plan down on what I want to do for the time being. I'm not going to go rushing up to Pennsylvania. I'm pretty certain of that. I'm going to stay here in the South and start doing a little better job at mapping out where we want to go, and just kind of settle into the South for a while. Guess that's what's going to happen. But chasing that chicken was fun. It was fun giving it a good chase. Okay, thanks for coming along today. We're going to hang out, relax a bit. We'll be back with another video soon. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.